Alrighty, so here with the C6 Solo smoke CO2 detector testing spray. Now, I've heard many different things on this thing, so we'll find out if it works on this guy. Now, I don't know why they say you have to hit the test function. There we go. Now it's verifying itself before it actually goes into. Oh shit! That's not supposed to happen. Still can't get over that sound. Shit, this one got louder. New detector. I will so die if that goes off when I'm sleeping. Strobe. I put the wrong key in! No! Are you kidding? That was the right key, son of a gun. Now, the problem is this detector is so good, I actually have to go take the head off. Oh god, I about died. Ooh, those candelas. Oh. Must have reset. Alright. Boom. I like the selective silence feature. I really do. Because now it can still be flashing. My notifier deluge panel, I believe, 101 series. See right there? It didn't do selective silence, and I like the selective silence feature. Alright. Now we'll find out. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Really? There we go. Even has a fun horn. Stupid thing. I just saw these again. So the test feature does work. Yay! And I get to reset after it detected a CO. So, reset. Alrighty. There you go.